So there were 543 people in a hall. After 80 people left the hall and some people entered the hall, in the end there were 260 people in the hall. How many people entered the hall? So let's have a look through here. So let's call it, for the beginning, B, and E for in the end. Okay? So in the beginning, there were 543 people. And 80 people left. And the rest remained. Now, in the end, there were 620 people in the hall. So again, in the end, probably drawn that a little bit too long. In the end, 620 people were there. There was a group that remained, which is exactly the same number as here. And there is the group that entered. Okay, so we know that the number that left was 80. So now is where we need to do the calculations. So there were 543 and 80 left. So we have the total and we have a part. So if we use subtraction, we can find out what the other part is. 543 take away 80. 3 take away 0 is 3. 4 tens take away 8 tens. More on the floor. 14 tens take away 8 tens is 6 tens and 4. So that means 463 people remained in the hall, which means that same number translates here. 463 people are still in that hall. Now, once again, we have a total and we have a part. So if we use subtraction, we can find out what number of people must have entered the hall. So, is it still going to fit in there, I think? I might slide that across to make room. So, 620 take away 463. All right. 0 take away 3, more on the floor. 10 take away 3 is 7. 1 10 take away 6 tens. 11 tens take away 6 tens is 5 tens. 7 hundreds take away 4 hundreds is 3. That was silly. That should be a 5. 5 hundreds take away 4 hundreds is 100. 157 people entered into the hall. Don't mind my mistake there that I made. So that's why for the last one, even though some students may be able to do it without the working out, it's good still to teach them the strategy so that it can work as you start to build that up.